Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to calculate the NHIF automatically using Excel VBA. So for example, here I'm given 4 columns. So if I enter the serial number here, the name of the employee, and the income or the gross income, so automatically the NHIF should be shown here. So let us do it. So here we enter 1. So the name of employee, that is Faith. Then we have 110,000 Kenya shillings. So she earns 110,000 Kenya shillings. So if I enter, so the NHIF should be shown here. So let us enter. So that way, so automatically it is shown there. So if we go to the next employee, so number 2, so that is James. So James earns 27,500. So if I enter, so the NHIF is shown. So then we go to the next one. So that is Wakesho. So Wakesho earns 55,000. So if I enter, we get the NHIF she pays. Then here we have the 4th employee. So Zainab. So Zainab earns 76,800 shillings. So if we enter that, we get the NHIF amount. So how is this one done? So to do that, we shall go to the VBA, but we need to know the NHIF rates. So NHIF rates are found here. So they are shown here. So that is what will be guiding us. So let me close this workbook and we start from scratch. So this is a new workbook, and here I have the table. So then here I'm going to type serial number. So here we have the name. So income. And here we shall have NHIF. So then, so this one we can put blue color, then we have it white font. And then we can have our data running, or that is this rows running up to maybe the 18th row, or even let us go up to 20. So then we have the borders. So right now this does not work. So if you enter anything here, so nothing will be shown. So that way, so nothing is shown here. So to do that, we need to go to the Visual Basic editor. So, and we shall be guided by this table here. So let us go to the Visual Basic editor. So you press Alt F11 or press the Developer tab, then click on Visual Basic. So this is the Visual Basic editor. So here we are going to work with sheet 2 because we want the NHIF to be shown automatically here. So therefore, we shall click here. So we'll have sheet 2. Then click on worksheet. So we want worksheet change. That is, once you enter the data in the first column, second column, and the third column, the data should be shown in the fourth column. So to do that, we need to declare some variables here. So that is dim I as integer, and then maybe a. So then here we shall say if not application dot intersect target. So our target range is that is within quotes we have A1, A2 to D20. So close bracket again. So and then say is nothing. Then and if. So what that code will be doing is to ensure that we only work within this range. So if you go beyond this range, so the code will not take any action, so it will ignore. So that is if you enter in any other cell other than A2 to D20. So then we continue. So here then we say for I is equal to 1 to 20. So that is, we shall use the for statement to loop. So here we have next I, and then we say if cells I comma A. So A, that is the column here. So this column, so we put it in quotes, is not equal to empty. So that is if there is nothing there, and also cells, that is the second column, B, is not equal to empty, and also C is not equal to empty, that is column C, and that is the fourth column, D, is equal to empty. Then so we end if. So then here we get we use this the case statement. So therefore we say select, or we say that A, so this A here is equal to cells, so in the third column, so I comma 3. So here we say A is equal to cells I comma 3. So that is the third column here, cells in this column, I mean this one here. So then select case A. So then and select. So then we say that case is less than So when we say select case A refers to the income. So that is the one that is found in the third column. So we shall use the table here. So we shall make reference here. So we say select case A. So case is less than 6,000. So then if case is less than 6,000, then cells I,4. So now the fourth column. So that is this column here. So this one here, starting from here, going up to D20. So therefore case is 6,000 or is less than 6,000, then cells is equal to cell I4 is equal to 150. And then if the case is less than 8,000, so here we put 8,000, then here we have 300. So and then we repeat the entire process up to 100,000. So we shall just copy that. So then and then we paste. So case is less than 12,000. So here we have 400. So then we copy this, and then we say case is less than 15,000, and then here is less than 20,000, and then we have 25,000. So here we shall have, if it is less than 15,000, then that is 500, then here it is 600, and here it is 750. So let me speed up the rest and then I'll be back. So here we have all the values up to 100,000. That is, case is less than 100,000, so we have 1,600. Then case is greater than 100, so we have 1,700. So that is now complete. So let us finish up the other part of the code. So but before we do that, maybe we can test this one and we see whether it is working. So we go to sheet 2, direct to the worksheet. So here we enter 1, and then we enter the name, and then the income, and it is working. So we have the next person here, so maybe we put Ali. We try 90,000 shillings or 95,000, and that is the value that we have. So now we want to put another code such that if you delete this, then this should also clear automatically. So how do we do that? So we go back to the Visual Basic editor, and then that is after end select here, we get this line of code. So we copy that and we paste here, then we adjust. So we say else if, so else if cells that is in column C, This time we say is equal to empty, and this one is not empty, that is the last column. This one is not, so we put this symbol is not equal to empty, then it should clear. So that is, this one should equal to nothing. So that way. So let us go back to the worksheet and we see that. So let us clear this, and here we type a name. So for that is the serial number 1. Then we have Ben. So then here we have 77,000. So we enter that. So 2. So we have Pauline. That is 42,500. So we have that. So then 3. So we have Ruth. For Ruth, so we have 31,420, and it is shown there. So now if we delete this data here, so the column here should also clear automatically. So delete, so it goes. So that is how that one is done. So if you want to automate your data using this code, so you can just get this code and put it in the Visual Basic editor, and you'll be able to get the NHIF. So I believe this will help the employers and the employees, and also the accountants, in getting the NHIF automatically using VBA. So thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. So see you in my next videos.